Yutu lives in a remote Arctic village with his elderly grandmother. Their traditional way of life is threatened by the changing snow and ice, which melts faster every year. Bee is trying to adapt to yet another new school, while her father's new job takes up any spare time, and his behaviour becomes odd and secretive. Fates take a drastic turn, and Bee's life becomes entwined with Yutu's in a way she could never have imagined. Together, they are locked in a desperate race for survival.